Hello and thanks for joining School of the American Rifle. Today's video is a follow-up video on our Icon Professional Compact Torque Wrench. I did a video a few months back where I purchased one of these. I wasn't given it for testing or evaluation. There was no money involved beyond me spending my own money. And it was a good bit out of calibration. And we had a lot of people in the comment section that got pretty butthurt about me having a problem with the Icon wrench. Purchased a new one here, and let me go over to our tester, and consistently read less than 1 inch-pound out of calibration on the plus and the minus side on forward and reverse testing. So for those that say you can't trust the low value of a wrench, they're wrong. I've consistently seen good results on the low value of torque wrenches. This one hit the mark. It's on the money. I'm really happy that this is the case. I tested it on the high end of the wrench, on the low end of the wrench, on the medium end of the wrench, forward and reverse, and did not get the same results that we got last time. So this one's going to stay in the shop unless there's some type of problem longevity-wise. But I promise you guys to do a follow-up video, and this is it for now. Thumbs up. As always, I hope you found this video educational, and thanks for watching.